Hello and welcome back. Today I have a solder station and it is from Keiweets. And Keiweets is a brand you've probably seen on my channel a few times. They make smart multimeters. I think I did 3 of them. And also they later went into tools. And then they had wire strippers. And later I even had an electrical screwdriver. It was actually pretty cool. Tiny screwdriver. And you could set different torques. But now I have a solder station. So let's have a look. Quickly open it. It even comes with some sort of base plate. Well, I will put it looks like I need to put it together. So I will put a time lapse. Well, the kit seems very complete. It is a nice soldering iron. It is kind of silicone. You can just replace the things. This is probably the heater, so it's pretty direct to the top. And then you have it. It comes with 5 extras, different shapes and sizes. I will probably replace it because this is a little bit too thin. It comes with a sponge or with this weird stuff. I'm more a sponge guy. I like it wet. And it comes with unleaded solder. I don't know, I never used it. I'm just old school toxic stuff. So let's see how this works. And it's just very simple. You just set the temperature and you start. Also it comes with this extra base. So if you want to solder, you can just click the stuff in. You have a magnifier. I also need that nowadays. And you can start soldering. Or if you want to put it away or you prefer everything in one, then you just place it on top and then it moves less. But if you solder on top, you will damage the top. So, but you can do anyhow. It is also nice to just stow away like this. This looks kind of like an audio plug, but it is all low voltage, so it doesn't matter too much. And well, you can set it from 200 Celsius all the way up to 450. Or for the Fahrenheit people, from almost 400 all the way up to almost 900. But you probably have it around here. I think 350, 360, 70, somehow 700 Fahrenheit. Then you don't burn the tips also. You can order it in 3 versions and they just give you a different plug. So I think they have US, UK and European. And here with the European, of course, you have your earth connection and it's all connected directly to the tip. But I saw already a teardown. The earth wire goes first to the transformer and then from the transformer again to the tip. Of course, you prefer not to do it through the transformer, but just directly. But the point is, you can put a switch in between and then you can choose if you want it earthed or not. So very easy to put a switch in between on the inside of this thing. Because sometimes you need to replace backup batteries or something and then you don't want it to short to earth. So then you actually want to be able to switch it off. And instead of putting the switch in the front or in the back, they put it here on the side. Well, the side is a little bit better than in the back. But I always prefer my switches in the front. Well, some people prefer this stuff, some people prefer a sponge. Well, I hope this is a magical sponge because this is very thin. I prefer the sponge, but let's see. on the points that come in different shape and sizes, very pointy, reasonably pointy. Then we have a diagonal one and a big point and a semi-big. And I think I try this one because this one is super pointy. How easy is it to change? Well, very easy. Just this. Put this on top. And here we are. Where can we store these points? No, not here. Maybe here in the side. Or we just keep them on top here, I think. Maybe I can do a little nails there and then I just stick them in there. The station itself, here it is, EST safe, temperature. Okay, response heads on water. It's not the biggest I have seen. Let's put the plug in, power on. Okay, no ventilators. The light is on. I'm not sure if it switches off when it is hot or that it is. Yeah, it does. Look, now it's around 300. Loop off. Yeah. Okay, let's put it to 400. Choop, it's done. It responds very fast. Let's see if it really is 400 or at least somewhere close. Okay, I've set it now to 400, but when I measure with this one, I don't get it. It goes now to 330, 335. $340, so it's not exactly 400. And then I thought, okay, let me try to do this with the Keiweets meter also. How high does this one go? And it is also around 300. Oh, here we go, 335. Yeah, it's around 350. It's not 400. So the scale is a little bit off. What if we go to 450? Yeah, now it's around 365, 366. Yeah, it says also 350. 360. Okay, let's do some soldering. I put it around 450 now because and then it turns out it was around 370. I like that. I do that with my welder too, around 360, 370. I have a little Arduino board and I want to solder the pins on it. So let's do that. Let's see if that works. With the magnifier, that is great. Yeah, bit of light. I turn around the board to do the other connector, and I will do that with a lead-free solder. Let's see what the difference is. It seems it needs to be hotter, it doesn't. Or it doesn't flow that much, I'm not sure. No, I need to heat it longer. It seems to have a higher melting point than with lead. I don't know if it technically is the case, but that is what it feels like now I'm soldering. Okay, well the soldering is fine, it just feels good. It's more that unleaded solder just feels different. I'm still not used to it. Maybe in the future I will be. The temperature, yeah, I would prefer that if you put the temperature, then make sure it's good, because there is now almost 80 to 100 degrees of difference. Then you just should put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 if you're not sure. And but the station looks nice. It's only 65 euros, I think, and yeah, it has these holders. I think that is smart, and it works. I think it's a perfect starter, but I will probably keep using my good old Weller. Oh wait, there is a call button in the front. Look at this, I just found this here. There is a little call button, so maybe I'm able to just set the temperature correct. So I will set it to 400 Celsius, and then let's see. Yeah, it's almost there. Of course there is a little difference, but first let's just say it higher. Where are we now? Yeah, now we go up. And now it is idling, and it is now to 360. Now we are closer to what it should be. Yeah, it's pretty equal. So now we are closer to the actual value, but I cannot crank it up more than I do now. So 400, and the cal button is full right. And that is how you adjust your solder station. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time.